Hello everyone, in this video we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Vssoplor rechargeable Bluetooth mouse, a wireless mouse which according to specs can connect to at least 3 devices. Besides, it's compatible with Windows and Mac. I've purchased multiple big brand names in the past and I'm greatly excited to try out a budget mouse with quite amazing features. Still don't know exactly what to expect really, but this was a unique find on Amazon, especially for one, it's rechargeable. I mean, you're gonna save a lot in buying batteries. 2, you connect with Bluetooth. 3, it's cheap. And 4, you can connect to at least 3 devices, which I don't think I'm gonna use, but you never know. So without further ado, let's unbox and see what we have in the package.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective.
So what comes in the box? We have a wireless mouse. We have a USB-A charging cable, a Type-C charging cable. And finally, we have one user manual, which of course is in English. Besides that, we have a warranty card. Now let's see if we can identify the product features. So right here we have the left click and then we have the right click. This is a scroll wheel. It only goes vertically, it doesn't go horizontally, not right or left, but just up and down. DPI button, the micro charging port. On the sides we don't have anything. Here are the sides, and right here below we have 3 indicator lights. This is the on off button. If I turn this on, these are the indicator lights. This is the Bluetooth indicator light. The mode switch button, if you press this button you can change. Right here you got the USB connection indicator light. If you press it one more time, you've got the Type-C connection indicator light, which is green. So you press it one more time just to change modes. I recommend you switch it off if you're not going to use your mouse. Now if you open this compartment right here, you're gonna see a USB receiver and a Type-C receiver. So you have a Bluetooth, you can connect to your device via Bluetooth, you can connect via USB, you can also connect using a Type-C connector. And right on top here we can see the low battery indicator light, and it's also a charging indicator. Remember, this is a rechargeable mouse. If you're getting low on battery, this starts blinking red. This mouse looks like it's got some real nice features. One, the Bluetooth version is 4.0. I'm not gonna charge it since it came fully charged already. Another feature I like is the soft silent clicking. I don't know if you can hear it. Let's see. There is basically no clicking. This is perfect for work or entertainment in a quiet environment. It's compatible with Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, with Mac OS X10 or higher version, Android 4.3 or higher version. One mouse, 3 devices. It has 2 receivers, which I just showed you right now, the USB-A receiver and a USB Type-C receiver. So you can use the 3 modes. Either you use the Bluetooth or you use the other 2 receivers. So I'm going to show you how you can connect your rechargeable Bluetooth mouse to your computer. It's quite easy, though to some people it might be a little bit complicated the first time. So first, turn on your mouse. It's already on. Press switch mode until you get to the red light. It's already in the red light, but if it weren't, let's say if it was here, you just have to press switch mode until you get there, red light. That's the USB connection. Open the battery cover and take out the USB receiver. That's the USB receiver. Insert the USB receiver into your computer's USB port and the mouse should automatically connect. So setting up 2.4G wireless device and voila, that's it. It's already connected. You shouldn't have any problem connecting your mouse using the USB port. Now let's connect the mouse using the Bluetooth connection. First, turn on the mouse. Press mode switch until you get to the Bluetooth indicator light, which is blue. Long press mode, and before you long press mode here, you have to go, let's go to our computer, locate a Bluetooth, add a Bluetooth device, add Bluetooth or the device. I'm using Windows 10 and Bluetooth. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to long press the Bluetooth button. See, it's blinking blue and then it blinks fast. This is it. Connecting. Connected. You're ready to go. Let's try this out. This is it. Look at it. Bluetooth connection was like immediate. The last connection is using the Type-C receiver, but unfortunately I don't have a Type-C, any device with a Type-C computer right here, so I can't show you how to do that. But it should be basically the same process as using the USB Type-A. Okay, you turn on the mouse, you press switch until you get to this button right here, to the first button, Type-C button. Let's get this, which is green. Then you open the battery cover, you take out the Type-C receiver and you insert the Type-C receiver into the Type-C port of a cell phone, a laptop or computer. In my case, my computer doesn't have a Type-C port, so I'm just gonna have to leave it this way. It's better if you're gonna use it with like 3 devices. Okay, you use Bluetooth with one, you use USB with the other one, and then you use Type-C with the other one. In that way you can easily switch between device and use all your 3 devices. Charging a battery is quite easy. You just have to plug the cable, either plug it to your Type-C port or your USB port. That's all. In short, I seem to totally dig into this mouse. It's ergonomic. Bluetooth pairing was very fast. It comes with a full charge. The left and right clicks are very silent, and I can only hope that this doesn't die on me anytime soon. I hope we've been able to give out enough information about this mouse, about the Vssoplor, I guess that's how you pronounce it, rechargeable Bluetooth mouse. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you'll get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.